Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first stop, on your search bar, type in game bar. Okay, right here. Once it pops up, go ahead and click on App Settings. Wait for it to load, and once it loads, click on Terminate and then Repair. Wait for it, and after that, go ahead and test your game bar and check if it helps. If that still won't work, go back to the same exact page, terminate, and reset. Reset, wait for it, and then after that, go ahead and test game bar and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, in here, go ahead over to Settings or the gear icon, close this pop-up right here. Go ahead and go to More Settings, General, Show Tips when I start a game. Make sure that this one is disabled, okay? Disable it, close this one, tap away, and everything should work perfectly fine now. Now, if that still won't work, go ahead over to your Start menu, right-click on it, and then just click on Terminal Admin. Click on Yes, as there will be a pop-up. And then once that's done, go ahead over to the description below. I have a command right there ready to copy it, and to paste, just right-click on PowerShell, okay? Right-click and here you have it. Now hit on Enter, wait for the process to finish right here. And then once done, type down Exit, Enter, restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix MS Gaming Overlay pop-up message on Windows 11. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.